Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to talk about the best tips and tricks to get the most out of Roblox. Whether you are new to Roblox or a seasoned player, we've got 5 awesome tips to help you level up your gameplay, earn more rewards, and even have more fun. From boosting your in-game skills to enhancing security, these tips will take your Roblox experience to the next level. That said, let's get started. So first off, I will recommend you to be more adventurous. Not sure where to head next? Don't worry, experiences recommended by the Roblox team are highlighted on the game's home screen, while the Discover screen showcases popular experiences and those with high user ratings. Or you can also search for worlds by themes such as cars, unicorns, superheroes, you name it. A few of our faves include harvesting honey in Bee Swarm Simulator, delivering pies in work at a pizza place, and conquering curses in Orby but you are on a bike. What's more, Mip City Center Square is perfect for an impromptu dance party as well, so go for it without any hassle at all. Then I will recommend you to find your look. One of your first tips is crafting an in-game avatar, so take advantage of the free models and gear in Roblox's incredibly deep character creator to make fun heroes such as a pirate queen with sunglasses or a fedora wearing knight. So ready to dig deeper? Well, you can also build up to 150 characters with different outfits and animations, so go wild. Then I will recommend you to trade wisely. When trading an item with other players, be sure to consider its rarity indicated by color in most experiences. Even if you don't care about an ultra-rare object like Murder, Mysteries 2's Traveler's X, you should get something of equal value for it, not just a pile of common gear. And definitely don't trade an object you might desperately want later. Take a breath before committing. And yes, if you're not completely comfortable with the deal, decline it or offer something else. Make sure trader's remorse is real. Is that sandwich really worth 3 pets? Feel free to make a counter offer as well. Then I will recommend you to keep the convo going at all hazards. Text chatting inside popular multiplayer experiences such as Adopt Me and Brookhaven RP is a great way to meet other players and discuss everything from good gear to map selection. Plus, users who are 13 or older and who have a verified phone number can use voice chat in experiences that support it. Perfect for chatting about style, interests to impress, or coordinating with teammates in Super League Soccer. And finally, I will recommend you to get the most out of the party feature. Want to quickly connect with a buddy who is already playing? Well, you can check your friends list to see what game each person is in. Then you can tap someone's name to instantly join them. Besides, Roblox party feature makes it easy to form a group of up to 6 people, ensuring you play together on the same server and stay together while hopping through experiences. And if you want to play only with friends, you can always see if a game offers private service. To check, just tap the friends icon next to the experience green play button, and that's about it. So these are the best tips and tricks to get the most out of Roblox. Now that you have unlocked these cool tricks, make the most of them to spice up your gameplay. And I'll catch you up in the next one with more such cool tips and tricks. Till then, have a great time. Bye-bye.